All right, what is going on, everybody? Paul James here. And first off, welcome to the new community, Groundbreakers. I hope that you enjoy it. By now, I'm sure you've met John or seen his introduction post. John and I have been working together for years. I think 8 years now, if I'm not mistaken. John might correct me on that, but I think it's 8 years. And him and I partnered up to basically facilitate a community like this so that we could really bring some insane value to you guys, because obviously I'm out there busy in the trenches, so I need someone like John who's able to help, inspire camaraderie in the community. But the goal is to bring you guys content like you're watching right now that's going to help you guys become financially free and really just build a business based around doing something that you love. I'm going to show you how I've been able to do that, and particularly today we're going to talk about the most recent case study that I have for you, which is for a recent promo that I did, and I'm going to let you inside of some of the strategies I used to make this a successful promo. And before we even get into that, I'll just go ahead right now and break down the numbers for you. So this promotion ran from June 11th to June 14th is when it ended. So basically about a 3-day promotion here, give or take. And what ended up happening was I used the strategies I'm going to share with you in this video to produce $2,384 in revenue. Honestly, this is not anywhere near my biggest promo. This is actually on the lower side for me, but some of you are probably still going to be pretty impressed by this. And then I also took first place in the contest that they threw for this promotion, which was another $3,500, which they sent me the next morning for hitting first place. So, I mean, if you do the math, roughly $6,000 divided by 3, you're roughly at $2,000 a day or so from this one promo. So if that sounds interesting to you, again, this isn't my own product, so I don't own it. I didn't have to have my own product. I created a lander through just a landing page builder, so I didn't technically need my own website. I could have sent straight to the sales page, but I didn't. I decided to send to like a warmer bridge page, which we talk about in our free course inside of here, so make sure you check that out. I wanted to show you it live in action. But you can definitely build that out on high level. I built this one out on ClickFunnels just because I had one that I cloned already. But these days I'm using high level now. If you don't have a high level account, you can go to highlevelfree.com and get a free account to create landing pages like this one right here, which is going to help warm up your traffic. And then I'll kind of break down what I did here, what the strategy was. So the strategy is very similar to the same strategy that maybe brought you into this very community and free course. And that is what I did was I built out content on my Instagram page through the form of Reels. And we talk about that in our free course. But you can go look at the kind of Reels I create, and they get hundreds of thousands of views. Some of them get millions of views. It's usually just me standing in front of the camera or in my office, and usually I'm just breaking down like a cool new website I found or something like that. And you don't need to have an existing following to do this, okay? I know you see I have a lot of followers. I was not born with 364,000 followers, okay? This strategy works on brand new accounts. I actually even uploaded to TikTok on a brand new TikTok account, and these same videos that I make will get thousands of views even on TikTok. I cross-post them to Facebook, again, on pages where I have basically nothing, and they still get thousands of views. You can even do these faceless as well. So you'll find even some faceless videos in here that have 500,000 views on them. So, and actually some that are completely generated with AI voices, not even my own voice. So this strategy works. But what I did was I posted a story on my Instagram. You can head over there now, depending on when you catch this video. It's June 19th right now. So if you're watching this, hopefully on the same day, that would be awesome. But if not, you go check it out and watch for yourself. Follow me as well. But basically, the story is just a selfie of me, okay? It's literally a selfie that says, hey, say hi, and I'm going to send you something free. Okay, it's just like a text. And when they do that, I reply to them with this landing page. And what this landing page is it's just a quick video that explains what the product is, the affiliate offer is. Okay, an affiliate offer is basically a product that teaches them a way to get clients and deliver a service to clients that's copy and paste. So it came with like a bunch of done for you templates. The fulfillment was done for you. It was a really cool product, right? It was a product that I really stood behind. So I put together an insane bonus package with this product where I basically gave them a bunch of free courses. And maybe some of you guys even picked this up through my link and you got access to all these awesome free courses. So I put together this bridge page, which just basically explained all the value that I was going to give when they bought this affiliate product through my link. And the affiliate product was only like $30, so it wasn't very much money. But it resulted in me making all of this commission in just 3 days, winning this contest, and bringing in $6,000 over a period of 3 days. And basically, I didn't have to support any customers. I used already existing bonuses here, like stuff that I already had. So if you have stuff that you can already give value to, that's great. If not, put something together. It doesn't have to be as extravagant as I did. It could just be like a free PDF, or it could be like a free training that you're going to hold, like a live training. I've done that before too. But just something that's going to give them extra incentive to purchase. And then the strategy is you go on social media, okay? You're going to build an audience with these reels, and then you're going to post to your story saying reply with the word, or just reply hi or whatever. Just respond to the story, and I'm going to send you something for free. And then what I do is I send them to this page. Sometimes I won't even say free. Sometimes I'll say reply to my story, say hi, and I'll send you a surprise. And I'll send them to this page. It's really that easy. And are you going to go out there and make $6,000 in 3 days right away? Of course not. But what if you made even like $1,000 or $100 even, right? That would be pretty cool, right? Just starting off. That'd be awesome. I know I would be stoked to make $100 off of an Instagram story just starting off. I'd be stoked making even $10 off of an Instagram story starting off. So that's the strategy, and I want to get you guys excited to start implementing this stuff and show you like what you can look forward to when you start to take action on this. So if you enjoy this video and you want to see more content like this, you want to see like, maybe you want to see more about how I automatically reply to people, because obviously with this many followers, it's pretty hard to respond to everyone. Maybe you want to see more about how we build out bridge pages, how I pick affiliate offers, stuff like that. Let me know what your questions are below and what you want to see future content on so that I can tailor it and help you guys out. But anyways, I really appreciate you being here. I know John appreciates you being here as well. And I hope that you're enjoying the community so far. But we'll see you in the next post or video that we do, or inside the community. Take care.